Chlorsulfuron is a sulfonylurea herbicide characterized by a structure that includes a triazine ring linked to a benzenesulfonamide group. Mode of action: chlorsulfuron acts by inhibiting the enzyme acetohydroxyacid synthase, ACAS, also known as acetolactate synthase, ALS. This enzyme plays a critical role in the biosynthesis of branched-chain amino acids, valine, leucine, and isoleucine. By inhibiting ACAS, chlorsulfuron disrupts the production of these essential amino acids, leading to the death of susceptible plants. Formulation: chlorsulfuron is available in various formulations designed for different application methods and targets, including water-dispersible granules, WDG, wettable powders, WP, liquid formulations, L. These formulations are mixed with water and applied as sprays. Uses: chlorsulfuron is a selective herbicide widely used to control a broad spectrum of broadleaf weeds and some grasses in diverse settings, including cereal crops such as wheat, barley, and other cereals, non-crop areas like industrial sites, rights-of-way, and other non-crop areas to manage vegetation, conservation tillage systems to reduce weed competition in no-till and reduced-till farming systems. Application: pre-emergence. Applied before crop and weed emergence to prevent weed seed germination. Post-emergence. Applied after crop and weed emergence to target actively growing weeds. Chlorsulfuron is absorbed by plant roots and foliage, translocating throughout the plant for effective weed control. Normal dose per hectare. The recommended dose of chlorsulfuron per hectare varies depending on the specific crop formulation used and target weed species. Generally, application rates range between 15 to 30 grams of active ingredient per hectare. Thank you for watching our video on pesticide info. Remember, when using pesticides, it's crucial to follow the recommended dosage and guidelines provided by the manufacturer. Always read the label carefully and use the product as directed to ensure effective and safe pest control. Always wear protective gear. Stay safe and protect your crops responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below.